èèyàn wa nílé lóko ẹ jọ̀wọ́ èmi ọmọ yín Adésànyà aya ilé Yẹmí ni mo bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa wo Bisi ológe show látọwọ́ ọmọ yín Ọlábísí Ẹ̀dúnjọbí ẹ ṣé.
Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. When someone started swagger, some people are making fun of us. They will say, suppose powers that be not be in support. When I said this man is a fighter, and I like to follow a fighter. Otherwise, they will just teach you along the way. So we are happy today. We are here. Baba said, when you win the primaries, I was here. Come back to me for places. That's why we are. Baba, we have won the primaries, and we are here for your blessing and the blessing of the entire leadership of Yoruba race. Asiwaju is quite qualified for the position of president. I remember in 2001, Afenifere decided to set up a committee to assess the performance of all our governors, led by CEO Asiwaju. If you will remember, we went around all the states, and also Professor Bola Ahmed, and I was a member of the team in 2001. And at the end of it all, we went around the old states. We graded our governors, and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu was number 1. He came first. I need to tell that. So he's been performing. That was just 2 years into his tenure. He went on to add another 6 years, during which he turned around Lagos completely. And that is why we are able to have something on which to campaign. We can always point to the achievement in Lagos, and people cannot dispute that. But beyond that, he's a fighter for democracy. Without people like him, this democracy will not survive. He fought for it, he had the democracy, he continues to nurture it and to sustain it. So we thank you very much for your great contribution to Nigerian democracy. Baba, by the grace of God, in your lifetime, this time next year, you will have your son as the president of Nigeria. I've been warned not to speak for too long. There are too many people Asiwaju has produced here. Too many of them are here. He has helped too many people. He's a committed Nigerian. He has fought for us.
Bàbá ní ká kí yín pé àwọn dúpẹ́ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Wọ́n lọ́wọ́ àbùkún gbogbo yín àti gbogbo wa. Wọ́n nítorí pé àwọn pè yín pé ẹ jẹ́ wọn. Nǹkan tá máa ṣe lénìí. Ó jẹ́ èyí tó jẹ́ pé ó máa wà nípele ìpele lórí ire àti ìlọsíwájú. Ọlọ́run àtọ́jú gbogbo wa àti dàtọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wa. Wọ́n lè ṣe púpọ̀. Comrade.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.